The Suzuki DR 800 Big is one of the most iconic adventure motorcycles ever produced. Introduced in the late 1980s, it stood out immediately with its massive single-cylinder engine, rally-inspired design, and unmatched off-road presence. Long before the modern ADV segment exploded, the DR 800 Big had already defined what a big dual-sport motorcycle should be. On Z Autos, this legendary machine deserves a deep look for its history, engineering, and cult status. Birth of a legend. Suzuki launched the DR 800 Big in 1988, inspired heavily by the brand's Paris Dakar Rally experience. At a time when most dual-sport bikes were lightweight and small displacement, Suzuki took a bold step by fitting a huge 779cc single-cylinder engine into a rugged adventure chassis. This decision earned it the nickname, Big, and it truly lived up to that name in both size and character. Massive single-cylinder engine. At the heart of the DR 800 Big is an air oil-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine producing strong low-end torque. The engine was designed for durability and simplicity, making it ideal for long-distance touring and rough terrain. The powerful thump of the Big single gave riders confidence on highways as well as unpaved roads. Suzuki Drive 800 Big delivered a raw and mechanical riding experience that many riders still admire today. Chassis and suspension setup. The bike featured a strong steel frame built to handle heavy loads and tough riding conditions. Long travel suspension at both front and rear allowed the DR 800 Big to tackle sand, gravel, and rocky trails with ease. The high ground clearance and upright riding position made it comfortable for long journeys, while the wide handlebars provided excellent control off-road. Iconic design and fuel tank. One of the most recognizable elements of the Suzuki DR 800 Big is its large rally-style fuel tank, often featuring dual fuel fillers. This design was directly inspired by Dakar Rally bikes and allowed for extended riding range, perfect for desert crossings and remote adventures. The tall stance, beak-style front fender, and bold graphics gave the DR 800 Big a commanding and adventurous look that still turns heads today. On-road and off-road performance. Despite its size and weight, the DR 800 Big performed impressively on highways, cruising comfortably at higher speeds thanks to its strong torque. Off-road, it demanded respect, but experienced riders found it capable and stable. It wasn't a lightweight trail bike, but rather a true long-distance adventure machine built to handle mixed terrain without compromise. Reliability and maintenance. Suzuki engineered the DR 800 Big with reliability as a priority. Its simple mechanical design, carbureted engine, and robust components made it relatively easy to maintain. Many examples of the DR 800 Big are still running today, proving the durability and quality of Suzuki's engineering from that era. Legacy and cult status. Although production ended in the late 1990s, the Suzuki DR 800 Big remains a cult favorite among adventure bike enthusiasts. It laid the groundwork for modern big adventure motorcycles like the BMW GS series and later Suzuki ADV models. Collectors and riders value it not just for performance, but for its historical importance in motorcycling. Why the DR 800 Big still matters today. In an age of electronic rider aids and complex technology, the DR 800 Big represents a purer form of adventure riding. It reminds riders of a time when exploration depended more on skill and determination than on electronics. For fans of classic adventure motorcycles, the DR 800 Big is more than just a bike, it's a symbol of true adventure spirit. Final thoughts by Z Autos. The Suzuki DR 800 Big is a milestone in motorcycle history and a pioneer of the adventure segment. Its bold design, massive single-cylinder engine, and Dakar-inspired